Nathan Jennison, managing broker and owner of the Mortgage Architects. We're talking about what's going on with the Federal Housing Administration, FHA loans, and non-permanent residents. There's a lot of fear out there. I want to just give some straight information here and also a path forward. This is not the absolute end of the line, and I want to make sure that everybody understands what it looks like in terms of home ownership so that we don't have panic, but that we make really intelligent plans for how to move you into a home if that's what you want to be, or we help you refinance if that's what you need. So here's what's going on. Federal Housing Administration is bringing their policies in line with the Trump administration regarding immigration. And they are not going to have, well, FHA loans are not going to be available to non-permanent residents after May 25th. What that means is that if you're looking to make a purchase, you have to be under contract and have your loan in place with an FHA case number assigned to it by May 25th. You'll be able to close your loan after that fact, but it has to be moving by that point in time. In terms of why they're doing this, it is seen as, well, FHA loans are insured by the US government. That is a benefit that the government provides. And they are also seeing deportations as a liability in terms of people being able to pay back their FHA loans. And so that is why this policy is put in place. FHA loans are not the only loans out there. There's still conventional loans. Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae have not announced any changes as of yet. It is thought that they might do so. So that is one of the things that we want to be watching closely. Also, the other thing to note is that there are other lenders out there besides conventional loans and FHA loans. We've already discussed with them. They're not planning on changing their policies. Those loans will be available. There is a path forward to home ownership, even if no agency loans, conventional loans, FHA loans, USDA, VA are available, you'll still be able to access loans. The main downside of those loans is that the down payment is going to be a lot higher. We're talking about 10, 15%. 15% is going to be about the minimum to get into a home going that route. So if you're looking to get into a home with less funds, now is the time to do that before those other changes take effect. In terms of who is going to be most affected by this, so there's 10 million US residents that are non-permanent residents. And so in that situation, those that have credit scores that are less than 700 primarily are the ones that use FHA loans because of the more lenient guidelines, a little bit more higher debt to income ratios, and ultimately down payment assistance. A lot of those programs are FHA based. And so those are going to be more difficult to or unavailable to access. Now, there are down payment assistance programs that are conventional based loans. And so including CHFA in Colorado still has a conventional based down payment assistance program. So that is an available option. And ultimately, the thing to note is that if you can get your credit score into the 700s, then a conventional loan first-time home buyer is only 3% down. And so that is a really key thing to go after is let's improve your credit to get you into a home. In terms of other things that are out there, if you ultimately are needing to refinance and you have an FHA loan and your credit score is not likely to get above 700 anytime soon, then this may be the time to refinance. So I would definitely say reach out to us. If you are looking to purchase and you're going to need an FHA loan to do that, you definitely want to be connecting with your real estate agent, connecting with us. Let's get you pre-approved and moving as quickly as possible. There's no time to waste. All right, that should be it. Feel free to reach out to me with questions. More than happy to engage, and just wanted to get this out. So I did not do any slides, but that's where we're at. So feel free to review the legal stuff, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon.